Hello everyone. Today I will show you how to fix Slack keeps crashing on PC in 2026. This is a very frustrating problem and Slack may suddenly close, freeze, or crash again and again while you're working. First, let's understand why Slack crashes. Most crashes happen because of corrupted cache files, hardware acceleration issues, outdated versions, or system conflicts. The good news is this is usually easy to fix. Step 1. Fully restart Slack. Exit Slack completely from the system tray, not just the window. Reopening it clears temporary background errors. Step 2. Disable hardware acceleration. Go to Slack Preferences, then Advanced, and turn off hardware acceleration. This fixes crashes for many Windows and PC users. Step 3. Clear Slack cache. Cache files can get corrupted over time and cause repeated crashes. Closing Slack and clearing its cache folder often stabilizes the app. Step 4. Update Slack. Outdated versions may contain bugs that cause frequent crashes. Always install the latest version for better stability. If Slack still crashes, try a clean reinstall. Uninstall Slack, restart your PC, and install it again. This removes broken files and resets the app completely. Finally, check system resources. Low RAM or high CPU usage from other apps can make Slack unstable. Closing heavy background apps helps prevent crashes. So yeah, Slack crashing on PC usually comes from cache problems, hardware acceleration, outdated software, or system overload. Follow these steps and Slack should run smoothly again. Thanks for watching. Do like this video, subscribe to the channel, and comment below if you have any questions. See you in the next one.